This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the glove box, then release the glove box damper arm. Push in the side stops, then lower the glove box and let it hang down. Release the tabs to free the filter from the housing. Pull the filter out from the housing. Lift out the old filter element and install a new one in the correct direction. The arrows on the new filter element should be pointing downward. Slide the filter completely into the housing, pushing it firmly to secure the side retaining tabs. Pivot the glove box upward, then push the side stops inward while lifting the glove box slightly, allowing the stops to retain it in the up position. Attach the damper arm to the slot in the glove box.